The semiconductor industry in 2024 was valued at around $700 billion and is projected to rise to $1 trillion by 2030. The cluster in South Wales is not only a key part of this global compound semiconductor supply chain, but it's also developing the next generation of products and processes, driving market growth, enabling AI systems in data centres, faster digital communications and more efficient electric vehicles. At IQE, they produce compound semiconductor wafers, which have unique properties based on their end application. Their materials might end up in the Face ID chip in your smartphone, micro LED displays, or enabling digital communications. Vishay own the UK's largest semiconductor manufacturing site, right here in Newport. They are investing in new types of compound semiconductor chips based on materials like silicon carbide that will mean that we can charge our EVs much faster and travel further. KLA's Newport site make the equipment that allows semiconductor manufacturers like Vishay to make intricate chip designs, and Microchip Technologies specialise in packaged electronic devices containing semiconductor chips for things like pacemakers. The cluster exports 95% of the goods produced in Wales, which are sold across the US, Europe and Asia. We're an integral part of the global supply chain here, and a key factor in keeping our leading global edge is through collaborative innovation, as well as a supply chain ecosystem here in the cluster, and we rely strongly on our global customers. When it comes to suppliers, there is a huge capability in the region with over 70 organisations across South Wales that are relevant to the semiconductor market. For example, in electronics design and assembly, precision machining, gas and chemical suppliers, or laser and LED systems. We are now working with the key suppliers of the core cluster organisations, developing and strengthening the strategic supplier relationships through funding from Cardiff Capital Region. This £1 million programme is allowing suppliers to install new equipment into their facilities, enhancing manufacturing capabilities in raw material supply, as well as developing and validating design tools for next generation semiconductor chips.